Hey guys, okay, this week I want to show you my absolute top tip. If you are a beginner and you're learning how to beat match, what would my #1 tip be? First things first, simplify. Don't use a track that's got a lot going on in it. Just use a track that's really basic and focus on that drum beat, okay? Now my second top tip is try practicing mixing the same song into the same song. Okay, so we've got this track here by Dioro, and the intro sounds a bit like this. Wait, this one. The intro sounds a bit like that, so what I've done is I've looped it so it just plays on loop. And you can see it's just looping there. And what I've done on this side is I've got the same track, except I've gone to a bit that's got more of a heavy drum beat going on. Okay, cool. So I'm going to loop that side as well. So this side now loops. Cool, so we've now got two tracks, this side and this side. They're both exactly the same speed. Okay, cool. Now, if you're going to practice it, now just practice matching these two, okay? I'm going to do it with both sliders up so you can hear everything, but obviously if I was really DJing, this would be down. But I'm going to do it with both up. There we go, that's how you do it. Now, if you guys really want to simplify it, I've got a track on my course. Let me just find this for you. Okay, I've got a track on my course. It's called Beat Track, and what I've done is I've just created two tracks that are just a drum beat. So you've got this on one side, and on the other side, you guys have guessed it, you've got this. Cool. Now this is stripped back to nothing at all. All you've got is one drum beat on one side, one drum beat on the other side. This will help you learn beat matching so quickly, which is why I designed it for my course. So get one playing, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Get the other one playing, match them up, you're done. If you mess up, you got 5 minutes of track for you to practice with there, okay? If you guys are interested in getting my course, go to beginnerdjlessons.com. I've got a full course that will teach you everything you need to know about DJing, from every single dial on this thing to working Serato DJ or any other DJing program out there, to learning how to beat match. I'll supply you with these different drum tracks here that are different speeds that will help you learn how to beat match different speed tracks. If you guys are interested, check it out, or just create your own beat tracks and learn how to do it by yourselves. And it's that easy. See you guys next week.